Today we're gonna fix this coats right here. We got 5 coats. I got 2 misfires, 3 misfires, 2 lean, and 2 gross leak detected. So this is a 2011 Volvo C. It's XC60, I think it is, and it's 3.2. So for these 2 coats right here, well, I already do the diagnostic, so I know what's wrong with that. So this car, they took it to these places where they do like fast oil changes, and they say that they do tune-ups and brakes and all the kind of stuff. But in this case, for these coats right here, see, is P2096 and P045. So this case, they changed the air filter, but they forgot to tie this clamp right here, and this housing here was loose. So as you can see here, I already replaced the bolts, and now the housing is sealed, is in good condition. So sometimes they say you have to change the oxygen sensors or the catalytic converter, but first thing you need to do when you got this coat right here and this one is check if you have any air leak. Could be on the house filter, in the housing filter, could be in the intake, could be on these little hoses here. So you can be anywhere. So before you spend money on the oxygen sensor and the labors, just check first if you have any air leaks. So so I've already fixed these 2 coats right here. I just make sure this housing was closed, and this clamp is now good. Okay, so we got a misfire now on cylinder number 2 and cylinder number 4. So the firing order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got a misfire and number 2 and a misfire number 4, and I also got random misfire. So we're gonna see first, because this guy, on the place that they changed the filter, they also changed the ignition coils. The owner, bought a new ignition coils for online. So sometimes when you buy parts from online, you need to be careful and read the reviews of the product. Sometimes because you think they're cheap doesn't mean they're good. So okay, so in this case we're gonna check 2 and 4. So let's crank the car. Okay. All right. Okay, an easy way to see if the ignition coils are bad is disconnecting each one. Let's do this one. See? Okay. This one is good. Let's disconnect this one, the second one. Yeah, that's good. Disconnect the number 3. Yeah, this one is good too. We disconnect number 4. Oh, there is not change on the engine. one more time. Yep, no change at all. Alright, 5 is change. There is change. So on number 4, if you disconnect it again, there is no change on the engine. See? Nothing. Okay. So in this case, we're going to replace this ignition coil first to see if the car fixed the problem. Okay, so I'm gonna order one ignition coil and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's they say this is a new one. I believe it's a new one, but it's not working properly. But also I got here a used one, so this ignition coil is good. So I'm gonna try to see if this one works on to fix the misfire. So I'm gonna put this one down, reconnect it. All right, so let's crank it. Okay, it fits better. It sounds better too. Okay, oh, there you go. Okay, so let's do the test again. There you go. See, can you hear the change? There you go. And now the engine sounds smooth. Yeah. Okay. This is number 3. Okay. And this is number 4. There we go. See? All right. So sometimes when you got this code, sometimes it's just one ignition coil that is affecting the other one. So try to do the test like I did. So that's the way to find the problem. Okay, so I want to wait to get the new one. I'm gonna put everything back together. So I hope this video helped you to fix. You got these codes right here, and this is the factory order right here. I hope this video helped you to fix your Volvo, and thank you guys for subscribing and to watch my videos. Alright, thank you guys, and see you next time.